Okay, so I've run into a little bit of a problem with the charger side of things. I did order a LFP suitable charger, a 29.2 volt 5 amp charger on Amazon. I will link that down in the description below. It might come in useful for you. Well, let me show you what the problem is. So, if we look at the original charger, it's a mini XLR, and if we have the pins down the bottom here, so a right side up triangle, on your left hand side the bottom pin is number 1 and the bottom right pin is number 2. The third pin is not used. And then we move to this one. The pins are reversed. So this bottom left pin is number 2 and the bottom right pin is number 1. So that would be reversed polarity. I've had a little bit of trouble finding something suitable online that I can rely on. I haven't actually found really anything. I've even looked at adapters, but the problem with the adapters would be the reverse polarity on the pins. So I'd be plugging a positive into a negative and a negative into a positive rather than just carrying through on a direct connection. My solution: I've taken this charger apart, the original charger. To do that, all you have to do is remove, and I'm not advising you to do it, I'm just showing you how it can be done. You're going to remove all the information from the top here. You're going to take a Phillips PH1 and you can take out the screws. You'll have this little protective cover here, but you'll just use that as a hinge and fold it over. You will have this cover on. You take it out. Be careful, this is a capacitor and it holds a charge, so you do not want to touch that capacitor. You can discharge it with your multimeter. For now, I'm just going to leave it in place. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the positive, which is the black wire here, as you can see, and the negative, which is the white wire. I can basically just snip this cable here. And then looking at the charger that I've ordered online, this is the QDD, it's the model QD180. And if I look inside, you'll see that the red is the positive and the blue is the negative. Now what I could do is I could take this out. I don't have my soldering iron. Well, in fact, my soldering iron is broken, and my daughter, who is studying to be an engineer, has left her soldering iron in college, so that is out the window right now. What I can do again is just snip the cable here and connect the red to the black and the blue to the white, and that's it. Job done. I might do a little bit closer to home so I don't have any exposed cable here. I'll see how I'm prompted. Alright, unfortunately I can't seem to get this connector on. I figure it must be a permanent connection. I'd say once the cable is put through, this is compressed and it locks into place. So I'm not going to be able to take that out without risking permanently damaging it. Now, I'm just about to invalidate my Amazon return by doing this, and just as I removed the sleeve here, I did notice that we have a brown and a blue rather than a red and a blue, but following it down I can just see that the brown connects to the fuse and then from there it's red down to the positive. So the brown is positive and the blue is negative, or live and neutral. Okay, so let's get started on invalidating my return. I shall do it. Do it like you mean it. There we go. All right. Let's snip this here. Just in case I completely mess everything up, I will be able to fix it, probably. Yep. I will be securing this much better than it is already. I mean, this is watertight, but I'll be giving this a good wrap as well, just to be safe. Two red LEDs here. Here we are, we have charge status, so we have red LED power on and charging, 2 LEDs, and then we have fully charged with a green LED. As you can see here, we've got 2 red LEDs. not seeing anything happening over here, but let me see if I can just power this on. Yeah, okay, it looks like we're charging. Excellent. That's flashing there, and let's just see, make sure we're charging. So we look at the average cell voltage, it's at 3.339. Let's just hold that there. See if there we go. That's going up to 3.34. So that means the batteries are charging. Let's let that do its job, and I'll come back to it a little bit later and see what we're at.